Hi children, happy to see you all again. Very good. Have a good day. So, let's start the session with prayers, children. Okay, join your hands, close your eyes, and listen to me. Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityoma Mridangamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Fine children, now slowly open your eyes. Very good. So, children, in this session, we are going to review the topics of previous session, right? So, till now we saw about chapter 1, that is circulatory system. What is circulatory system? It is the system by which the blood can be transferred to all parts of the body, right? The blood takes the contents like nutrients of the food, water, gases, and some other essential elements for fighting against disease causing germs. Okay, what are the components of circulatory system? The components are blood, blood vessels, and heart. Okay, first blood. It is the liquid in state. Then it carries oxygen, food, and other elements like disease fighting elements to all parts of the body. And in return, it collects the waste materials from different parts to the heart for purification. Next, components of blood. It comprises of fluid part and cellular part. Fluid part is nothing but the plasma. The cellular parts are RBC, WBC, and platelets. Plasma is the liquid portion of the blood. It is pale yellow in color and it contains proteins and minerals for normal functioning of the body. RBCs are spherical shaped cells, right? It has colored pigment called hemoglobin, which provides red color to the blood. To increase hemoglobin level, we have to consume green vegetables, right? Next, we are going to see about white blood cells. These are larger than RBCs. It can change their shape and it acts as soldiers for fighting against disease causing germs. Next, platelets. These are smallest cells of the blood. Okay, it controls bleeding by clotting the blood from bleeding. Okay, the functions of the blood are transport essential materials to all parts of the body. In return, it collects the waste products from different parts for its purification. Next, it plays vital role in fighting against disease causing germs. Next, coming to see about blood vessels. These are hollow tubes through which blood can be transferred to all parts of the body. Right, the three types of blood vessels are arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry pure blood from heart to different parts of the body, whereas veins carry impure blood from different parts of the body to heart for its purification. Capillaries are thin tubes that connect arteries and veins. Through the walls of capillaries, the fluid will be exchanged between blood and the different parts of body. Okay, next, heart. This is the third component of circulatory system, right? Heart is made up of muscles. It is a muscular organ and it contracts and expands like other muscles of the body. Okay, in contraction and expansion, it pumps the blood to whole parts of the body, right? So the heart is divided into 4 sections. 2 sections at the right and 2 sections at the left. From left, pure blood is pumped to all parts of the body, whereas from the right, impure blood is transferred to lungs for its purification. Okay, the heart doesn't get tired since it is a muscular organ, right? Next, the heart is situated in the middle of the chest but slightly towards left. The size of the heart is about the size of the fist. Right, children, could you got it? Okay, fine. So next we saw about heartbeat. What makes the heart beat? The pumping of blood, that is the contraction and expansion of heart makes the heart beat. Okay, the heart beats 72 times per minute. This makes the loved up sound. Okay, how can you hear the heartbeat, children? With the help of stethoscope, right? Like the doctor having. Okay, so next, pulse. What is pulse? When the heart pumps blood at high pressure into arteries, it causes pulse. Okay, by this we can determine the heartbeat with the help of pulse. Okay, so in this way the heartbeat and the pulse are correlated. Okay, children. So children, these are the topics we discussed in the previous sessions, right? So in this session I'm going to play a video for you related to these topics. Finally, after watching the video, I have some questions to ask about that from the video you watched related to the video. Okay, you have to answer those questions. Okay, so watch the video carefully, right? Come on, let's start the video.
Welcome to the circulatory system. This is the heart, the driving force between the whole system. The circulatory system brings blood to all the parts of your body. You should exercise and eat healthy foods to take care of your circulatory system. The heart is a muscle. Every beat pushes blood through your entire body. Close your fist. That's how big your heart is. It's a little to the left in the middle of your chest. Now that you've learned all about the heart, let's see what your blood does.
Hi, I'm a red blood cell, and I deliver oxygen to cells. That's their main energy supply. These are white blood cells, and they're in charge of fighting off foreign substances. These are platelets. Their job is to fix veins and arteries when you cut yourself. They keep the blood inside where it belongs. Together we make up blood, the red fluid that comes out of you when you cut yourself. Our journey starts and ends in the heart. Blood is delivered to the entire body through blood vessels, tubes to transport it. Arteries are the vessels that bring us from your heart to your organs and your cells. Capillaries are small vessels where oxygen and food are exchanged. Veins are the vessels that bring us back to your heart from your organs. That's how cells and organs get the food and oxygen they need to survive. Then blood, specifically us, the red blood cells, take all the waste left by the cells and the carbon dioxide. Here we are at the heart. This is where our trip ends. Before we start a new trip, let's get loaded up with oxygen and nutrients. Thanks for helping us out. See you soon.
If you want to learn more, click on more videos and subscribe to the Smile and Learn channel, and you'll stay up to date with new adventures.
Here is from www.makemegenius.com. If you want to see more science videos, go to www.makemegenius.com. Oh, yeah, it is free.
What are you doing, Jimmy?
I want to be a hero in my school.
But why are you running? You want to become a hero by running?
Yes, there's a race in the school. If I come first, I would become hero.
That's a good plan.
But my heart is beating so fast. Is something wrong with my heart?
Let me check. You know, your heart is on the left side of your body. By this cup, I can listen to your heartbeat.
Is it all right?
Yeah, it's very much okay. It is beating faster. You know, when you are relaxing, your heart beats 70 times in a minute. But when you're running or exercise, it beats at double speed.
Oh, that means 140 times in a minute. Heartbeats normal, 70 times a minute. Running, 140 times a minute.
Now, you know why your heart beats faster when you run?
But why does it beat faster?
You see this car. How does it run?
Oh, it needs gasoline or petrol to run.
You are right. Your body also needs some gasoline or petrol to move. For a body, this petrol or gasoline is oxygen. The body needs more oxygen when you exercise or run. Do you know your body gets oxygen from your heart?
But how does the heart supply oxygen to your body? I thought it comes from lungs.
You are right. Oxygen comes from lungs. But to reach to your body, it gets all mixed up with blood.
And when oxygen is mixed in blood, the heart supplies blood to all parts of the body.
Correct. Your heart is like a pump, which pumps blood into your body.
Can I know more about the heart?
Okay. See this hand pump? Like it pulls water from the ground and supplies to us. The heart has two pumps like this. One pump supplies the blood, which has oxygen to your body. The other pump takes it back after it has given oxygen from the body. When blood comes back to your heart, it is full of carbon dioxide. The heart sends it to the lungs, which cleans and fills it with oxygen. Lungs send oxygen, fresh blood to your heart, from where it again goes back to all your body parts.
So the heart sends dirty oxygen, poor blood to your lungs, which takes away carbon dioxide and adds oxygen to it.
That's why it is called circulatory system, because it moves in a circle.
You are right. Oxygen reaches to your lungs through your nose. From there, it goes to your heart. In your heart, it's mixed in blood. From there, it reaches to all the body with blood. Okay, let me show you a picture. Now, let us see blood flow through your system in your body.
What are these red and blue pipes in the human body?
These are called arteries and veins. Red color lines are arteries. These take the blood from your heart to the body. These blue color lines are veins which bring blood back to your heart.
Arteries take blood away. Veins bring blood back. Can you tell me more about the heart?
Yes. Can you make a punch of your hand?
Here it is.
A human heart is equal to the size of a fist. See this apple?
I love apples.
The weight of a human heart is about 300 grams, about an apple.
I am wondering, how much blood is there in our body?
See here? See these 5 1-liter bottles? We have 5 liters of blood in our body.
What is this half-filled bottle?
This bottle is having half a liter liquid. When we donate blood, we only give half a liter.
Yes, my big brother donated once. This way we save lives of others. Jenny, can you show me what happens inside the heart?
Here we go. See here? The heart is made of 4 chambers. These are the right atrium, and right ventricle, and left ventricle.
What happens in the left and right parts of the heart, right?
Left side receives oxygen-poor blood from the body and then sends it to the lungs to get mixed with oxygen.
Okay, then lungs send oxygen-rich blood to the right side of the heart.
Correct. Then, from the right side, this oxygen-rich blood goes to the whole body.
Heart has 4 chambers and 4 valves. When these valves open and close, we hear the heartbeat.
So you're going to www.makemegenius.com for science videos. It also has lots of interesting facts and PowerPoint presentations for children.
Fine, children. Have you enjoyed the video? Very good. So, now this is the question part. So, listen to the questions carefully. You have to answer those questions and upload it in Google Classroom app. Right? So, note down the questions, children. The first question is, the journey of blood starts and ends in dash. Once again I am saying, the journey of blood starts and ends in dash. Okay, so the second question is, what is the size of heart? Once again I am repeating, what is the size of heart? Right. The third question is, which vein carry impure blood to heart? Okay, which blood vessel carry impure blood to heart? And you have to mention its color. Okay, color of that blood vessel. Okay, which blood vessel carry impure blood to heart, and you have to mention the color of that blood vessel. Okay, the fourth question is, the heart is divided into dash sections or chambers. The heart is divided into dash sections or chambers. And the final question is, mention the cellular parts of blood. Mention the cellular parts of blood. Fine, children, could you got the question? Very good. So find the answer for those questions and upload it in Google Classroom. Okay, till then, stay connected, stay safe. We will meet in the next session. Right? Bye.